This is the historical mosque. It's known as Bibi-haybat Mosque. And from this side, you can see the fort of Kibzensi. What's the name of this mosque? You know? This is the main door of the mosque. I am going inside. I came on 125 bus from the city of Baku. I will show you today the whole mosque. It's too much beautiful and it seems the Azerbaijan architecture. So now I am going inside the mosque and I will show you. From here I came in the bus number 125 and now I will show you this mosque is situated on the very high altitude in the Azerbaijan, and here is the coastal. There is a दरवन का ये कब्रिस्तान है जो ऊपर पहाड़ी पर बना हुआ है। बहुत खूबसूरत नज़ारा पेश कर रहा है ये वाला कब्रिस्तान। आप देख रहे हैं उधर, दिस इज़ द ग्रेवयार्ड ऑफ ब्रेविस पीपल situated on the mountains, and from this side this is the fort of Caspian Sea. This is too much fort of the Russian Soviet Union time. This is the fort of Soviet Union era. Going inside the mosque and I will show you this historical mosque. Now I am going inside into the mosque. This is the main door of the mosque. I am going inside. I came on 125 bus from the city of Baku inside into the mosque. The evolution place by the historic Bibi-haybat Mosque. I will show you inside the shrine of Bibi-haybat women, and that's the graveyard of brave people on the mountains. You can shoot there.